Memo Abibitumi. This is Dr. Albadale Kama coming at you live from Abibitumi.com and the Institute of African Studies here at the University of Ghana. And I am just letting you know that we have a blacknificent, blacktastic, black standing, black powerful set of classes coming up, and starting the week of January 5th, and it goes all throughout that following week. So we're starting off with Chi, with Yoruba, and with Wolof classes. We also have Medunecha classes coming up. We have Kiswahili classes coming up, and more. So this isn't a New Year's resolution. This is a lifelong revolution. So learn the languages of your African ancestors and descendants. This is what it's all about. So this is Dr. Albadale Kamba, multi-award-winning linguist, PhD in linguistics, editor-in-chief of Ghana Journal of Linguistics, letting you know that it is time for you to learn your own African languages. And there's no better place to do it than Abibitumi.com. So if you want more information, go to Abibitumi.com/shop, SHOP/shop, in order to sign up for the class that you are interested in. Again, we have Chi, the main language of Ghana, Yoruba, one of the main languages of Nigeria, and then also Wolof, the main language of Senegal. We also have Kiswahili, one of the main languages throughout East Africa, and Medunecha, that's the ancient language of our black ancestors, the Kemetiu. So come on board, sign up, and I look forward to seeing you in class at Abibitumi.com. Stay black powerful. Abibitumi.